to do lots of different types of drawing.
Hi, this is a block of aerated concrete, brand name Durox. It's full of fine little bubbles, which makes it fairly soft and easy to carve. This stuff here is the same kind of thing, except it's grey. This is more common actually. It's much more usual to see this stuff in grey. It's a little bit cheaper. The bubbles are a little bigger, which although it makes it easier to carve, it's you don't get such a fine result with it. So here we are, square concrete block. As you can see, I've drawn an elephant on it already, so now all that remains is to carve it. And I use things like this, chisels, various types, various thicknesses, and sandpaper. So, come back later and see what I've done. Here we go, here's an elephant. So, with chisels, the mallet, and some sandpaper, this is what you get. However, there is something that I've done here which is slightly different in that I have filled up all of the little bubble holes with filler. This is just called Tetrion. It's the kind of stuff you use for filling holes in walls before painting and putting wallpaper on and such. If you look carefully here, you'll see that it's still a bit rough, and that's where I still need to sand that down, make that smooth. And the idea of it being so smooth is so that when we make the various sections of the mould out of fiberglass, like there's going to be a piece at the top, it's going to be made of a whole bunch of pieces so that it separates cleanly. All these pieces are going to be bolted together, but so that in the process of making the fiberglass moulds it doesn't stick to this. This is going to have to be carved in an epoxy resin, which is then sanded down and then polished and then put loads of wax and things like that and release agents so the fiberglass doesn't stick to it. But the first thing you've got to do is to make sure it's as smooth as you can possibly make it. So that is what I've been doing. So here we are, one elephant. Start with the block, end up with an elephant. Woohoo!
I didn't need any help with this.